Question 2. Solution of this question. How can you solve this out? Okay, we got 4 cos square h equal to 1. I change minus 1 from left to right. And then you got cos square h become to 1 over 4. This means you will have two solutions. First one, cos h equal to square root of 1 over 4. And the second one, you got minus square root of 1 over 4 like here. And the next one is 1 over 2. And here you got minus 1 over 2. The cos h equal to 1 over 2. That is the first equation. This will become to the cos pi over 3. Pi over 3. And then h equal to pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. And the next one is minus pi over 3 plus 2 pi k. And now positive less than 2 pi, so h only equal to pi over 3, corresponding k equal to 0. And the next one, k equal to 1. K equal to 1. Yeah. When you got k equal to 1, 5 pi over 3. 5 pi over 3 like this. So in my solution is half. In my solution it have 3 over pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. For question A, you cannot see 5 pi over 3, so this is not be the right answer. Pi over 6, no. Pi over 3, you got pi over 3. You got 5 pi over 3 here. And question D, you have no pi over 3 or 5 pi over 3. And from here, you can see that after solving the first equation, you only have C will be my final answer. Because A, B, and D, you have no pi over 3 in solution. Yeah, so that's why you got C with my solution for question 2 here. For question 3, you have to use the complicated techniques about solving trigonometric equation, quadratic trigonometric equation. You question A, you should not write down it like this one. I think you have to simplify it, become to more easier. First, I will substitute cos h equal to t, and the equation you got cos square h here is mean t square, and then you got 2t, and then you got plus 1. From this equation, you can using your calculator solving this one. T will be to 1, and then I will come back to my first variable cos h. So when h equal to cos h is mean 1, is mean 1 is cos of 0. So h equal to 0 plus 2 pi k. And now you got new interval minus pi and pi. Minus pi and pi. So if you have k equal to, I will make my table. K equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi. This cannot be the right answer. 0, 0. When k equal to 1, you got 2 pi here. This means the only one solution for this question is h equal to 0. H equal to 0. We finish question A. About question B, once again I will using my substitution technique. You will got sine h equal to t in this case, and t square equal to t. Change t from right to left, this will come here. And then I will using factorizing technique t minus 1. And this is equal to 0. You got two factors. The first factor is t and the second factor is t minus 1. This means if you got this equation equal to 0, two solutions, each of these factors have to be equal to 0 one by one. And the first equation t equal to 0 and the second one t equal to 1. Now you got t equal to 0 is means sine h will be this one, and sine equal to 0, this is sine 0 here. But for this special case, you only have 0 plus pi times k. This cannot be 2 pi anymore. So for this question, you will get two solutions. When k equal to minus 1, you got h equal to minus pi. Here is 0, this one is 0, and here is 1, this one is pi. Oh, sorry, you got 3 solutions. H equal to minus pi, h equal to 0, and h equal to pi will be my answer for this question. Question B. Question C, a little bit harder. I want to change this become to the equation in terms of sine h or cos h only. Only one sine or only one cos. So you got here is cos and here is sine. You got problem. But about the formula cos 2h, you have 3 formula. The first one you got cos square minus sine square. For this formula you got 2 variable, cos and sine. The next one you got 2 cos square h equal to minus 1. For this formula only have one variable cos h, but if I change this become to cos h, the right hand side will have sine h, so this cannot be in terms of one variable. But for cos 2h you got the third formula 1 minus 2 sine square h like this one. So for this equation I will using this formula. This means the second time I write out this, I don't want to write out cos 2h anymore. This is become to 1 minus 2 sine square h by this one equal to sine h in here. And now you can see the new equation. For this equation you only have one variable sine h, and then using substitution method for quadratic trigonometric equation, you will sub sine h equal to t, and the equation will become more easier or more shorter. 2t square equal to t here, and I will move 2 terms in left hand side move to right hand side. 2t square plus t minus 1. This means t will become to minus 1 or t will become to 1 over 2. 1 over 2. Choose solution. This is equal to sine h, and the second one also be sine h. For first equation, sine h equal to minus 1. This is minus 1. Sine cos minus 1 is minus pi over 2. And for here, you only have one solution, plus 2 pi k. This means h equal to, making a table, the value of k and h minus 1, no, it will be less than 2 pi minus pi. How about 0? For 0 here, minus pi over 2, and for 1 here, you will got 3 pi over 2. This cannot be the right answer, but this one is correct answer, because this value will be interval of this one, belonging this interval. And the second one sine h equal to 1 over 2. Sine h equal to 1 over 2 is mean equal to pi over 6 like this one. And you got two equation, pi over 6, and the second one pi minus pi over 6 is mean 5 pi over 6, 2 pi k, and this is will be only one solution, h equal to pi over 6, corresponding k equal to 0, and the next one h equal to pi, 5 pi over 6, corresponding to k equal to 0. Yeah, how many solutions you got for question C? You will have minus pi over 2, pi over 6, and 5 pi over 6.